Welcome to this tutorial on calculating variance using NumPy's var function. Variance is a fundamental statistical measure that helps us understand how spread out our data is. In this video, you'll learn how to use np.var to calculate variance in your arrays efficiently. Variance is a measure of how spread out numbers are from their average value. The formula shows sigma squared equals the sum of x minus mu squared divided by n. In simpler terms, we find the difference between each value and the mean, square those differences, and then average them. A high variance means your data points are far from the mean, while a low variance means they're clustered close together. The basic syntax for calculating variance is straightforward. First, import numpy as np. Then, call numpy.var and pass your array as an argument. The result will be stored in your variable. This simple syntax calculates the variance of all elements in your array. Let's see a practical example. We create an array with values 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, and 9. Then we call numpy.var on this data array. When we print the variance, we get 4.0. This tells us the average squared distance of each value from the mean of 5. For multidimensional arrays, you can calculate variance along specific axes. Without specifying an axis, numpy.var computes the variance of the entire array. Setting axis equals 0 calculates variance along columns, giving you variance for each column. Setting axis equals 1 calculates variance along rows, giving you variance for each row. This flexibility is crucial when working with matrices and multidimensional data. The ddof parameter stands for delta degrees of freedom. By default, ddof equals 0, which calculates population variance. If you're working with a sample and want sample variance, set ddof equals 1. This adjusts the denominator in the variance formula from n to n-1, providing an unbiased estimate for sample data. Understanding this distinction is important for statistical analysis. The Dtype parameter lets you control the output data type for precision. By default, numpy.var returns a float64 result. If you want to save memory or need different precision, you can specify dtype equals numpy.float32. This is useful when working with large datasets where memory efficiency matters, or when you need to match specific numerical precision requirements. Let's recap the key points. numpy.var calculates variance of array elements efficiently. Use the axis parameter when working with multidimensional arrays to control which dimension to compute variance along. Set ddof equals 1 for sample variance calculation instead of population variance, and use the dtype parameter to control precision when needed. With these tools, you can perform comprehensive variance analysis on your data. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.